Hello friends, today I have brought you all in another part of Bangalore. Now this is the outer ring of Bangalore, which is in Maratha Ali area. The construction work is going on and we are planning to go to this restaurant which is called Iron Hill. They have got chains. The owner of this restaurant is Teja Chekuri. And he has different hotels in the United States, namely in Pennsylvania, then Georgia, then Delaware, everywhere. In India, in Bangalore you have this hotel. So it is one of the popular hotels, and let me see. The ambience is excellent. I'm not going to show you the food, but I'll try to show you a little bit maybe, but not much. So let's find out. Let's go in. So we have entered the hotel premise. Inside of the restaurant. It's all full, but we are planning to go near the pool side. This is the pool side, but it's all full. I don't think we'll get a place to sit here.